CASHCAT climbed nearly 40% in 7 days. Then it fell 31.7% in the next 24 hours. We flagged this coin yesterday, and that call didn't age well. Today it's back on the screen, this time as a fast pump coming undone. Let's grade yesterday's calls, wins and misses both. PI led the pack, up 16.5%. DCR gained 6.7%. XEC added 3.6%. DRV barely moved, up just 0.6%. That's the good news. Here's where it went sideways. KAITO slipped 1%. Hash fell 4.3%. DEXY dropped 6.4%. And CASHCAT, today's headline coin, was the worst call of the bunch, down 31.7%. Getting flagged doesn't mean a coin goes up. Yesterday proved that. We publish this grade every day, good and bad, and that CASHCAT miss is exactly why every flag comes with the same reminder. Interesting isn't the same as safe or doomed. Now let's zoom out. The Fear and Greed Index reads 25 today. That's extreme fear. Bitcoin's slice of the total crypto market is 56.3%. Add up every coin and the whole market is up 3.25% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin sits at $64,802, up 3.64% on the day. Ethereum's at $1,876.99, up 5.42%. Solana's at $78.02, up 3.97%. So the three biggest coins are all green today, fear reading or not. One more number. Bitcoin's MVRV ratio, a rough gauge of how much profit the average holder is sitting on, comes in at 1.23. That's in the bottom 18% of its own history, and the screen flags that as a value zone. Search interest today is running hot on Pudgy Penguins, Hyperliquid, and Lighter 2, though none of those made today's numeric screen. Arrow, Talus, and the Black Bull were also trending. Three coins jumped out on today's screen, beyond the CASHCAT swing we just covered. By size, CASHCAT ranks 232nd, DRV sits at 204th, and KAITO comes in at 174th. All three fall in the smaller half of the top 250, where price swings tend to be sharper. Start with CASHCAT, down 31.7% in a day after climbing 39.7% over the week on trading volume running at 0.6, 4 times its market size. That's a pump running out of steam. DRV is next. Its trading volume is 94.3 times its normal weekly level, while the price is still up 37.8% over the week and roughly flat over the last 24 hours. That looks like a tension building steadily over days, rather than in one single burst. Then there's KAITO, up 13.5% today, up 23.3% over the week, with volume running at 0.27 times its size. Call that a slower, steadier climb, riding ongoing interest in AI-related coins, more than any one sudden jump. 3 coins, 3 different shapes, one unwinding, one possibly building, one climbing steadily. And rank matters here. Coins outside the top 100 tend to swing harder on thinner trading than something like Bitcoin does. On funding and positioning, that's the data on whether traders are leaning long or short, there's nothing to report today. We only put a number here when one's actually there. That happens plenty. Some days there's no real signal, and we'd rather leave it blank than make one up. A word on what this data does and doesn't say. Everything here is past price and past trading volume. It tells you what already happened. Right now, the fear and greed reading is extreme fear, and on its own, that says nothing about where price goes next. It's a mood gauge, that's all. Over the last 30 days, our screen's interesting or not call matched what actually happened over the following week, 47% of the time. That count includes coins it flagged that then moved by at least 15%, and coins it left alone that then stayed quiet. Both count as a correct call. That's a hit rate on the call itself. It doesn't tally how often flagged coins went up, and it isn't built to predict anything either. The biggest single 7-day move across that whole 30-day window was up 150.6%. This is an observation, not advice. We're not telling you what to do with any of it. We're showing you the numbers and how our screen read them, wins and misses both, honestly. Nothing here changes how we cover a coin tomorrow. Every flag gets the same public grade, whether it worked out or not. We publish this accuracy number every day, good stretches and bad, so you can judge the track record yourself instead of taking our word for it. CASHCAT is back on the flag list today, right after a rough grade yesterday. Tomorrow we grade it again, along with DRV and KAITO, the same way, honestly, in public. Every flag on this channel gets checked against real numbers, every single day. Subscribe and watch how today's calls actually turn out. That's the first print.